Hello everyone, how to calculate salary with overtime in Excel. So let's start step by step. So you can see employees data with the basic salary, hours, OT hours, hourly rate. So here I'm going to calculate overtime pay. So you can see here I mentioned here calculate overtime pay formula. Overtime pay is equal to overtime hours into hourly rate into 2 means double pay. So I select here the sale and type here first overtime pay. Okay. And select the sale is equal to select here overtime hours. Then into select the hourly rate into 2 to double pay. Press the enter and that's it. Then select the cell, drag the corner point below the cell and paste your formula. Now I'm going to calculate the salary. Here you can see the calculate the total salary, add basic salary and overtime pay. So here the basic salary in this data, the second column, and here just calculate the overtime pay. Just add both and you will get the total salary. So I just type here total salary and select the cell is equal to select the basic salary plus overtime pay and enter. Select the cell, drag the corner point below the cell to paste your formula. And that's it. So this is the way you can calculate salary with overtime pay in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.